like incredible, actually, based on what we've been through over the last couple of hours. Lieutenant Dan, I've got you on News Nation. We just wanted to. Are you okay? I'm fine. You're fine. Are you concerned that the water comes back in?
Waiting for the water to come in.
He said he's hanging in tight. Wait, oh boy, it's coming in here again. Okay. Okay, keep me posted. So the good news is there's some people up here, I think, who are sort of trying to keep an eye on it. Louis, I mean, it's not a good situation because the water has been so it's like his boat is now basically touching the floor of the bay, and what he was saying, if you couldn't hear, is